Peter. Now we will start our next question. So what is next question? Diameter, a cylindrical pillar, question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in the diameter and 3.5 meter in the height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of pillar at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. Okay, so what is given? A cylindrical pillar is given, whose diameter is given, whose height is given. First of all, you have to find the cost of painting of the curved surface area. Okay, so you will find out the curved surface area of cylinder. So diameter is given 50. So radius will be 50 by 2. So 25 centimeter, but height is given in meter. So we will convert it into meter. 25 by 100, so 0.25 meter. Is it clear? Now height is same, 3.5 meter. Curved surface area of cylindrical pillar will be, what will be the curved surface area? So it will be 2 pi r h. Put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 0.25, so you can write to 25 by 100 into h is 3.5, so 35 by 10. 7 5 is 35. Okay, now 44 into 5 into 25 upon 30. Clear? Multiply it. So 5 4 is 20, 2 5 4 is 22, 22 into 25 upon 1000. 10 you can cancel out. 25 2 is 50, 5 25 2 is 50 and 5 55. 550 upon 100. Again you can 0 1 cancel out and it will be 5.5, and all are given in meter, so it will be meter square because this is curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area will be in meter square. Clear? Now you have to find out cost of 1 meter square. Cost of polishing of 1 meter square is equal to 12.50 rupees. Okay, cost of polishing of 1 meter square is 12.50 rupees. Now you have to find out the cost of 5.5. Cost of polishing of curved surface area. And what is curved surface area? 5.5 meter square. So this one will be 5.5 multiplied 12.50. So multiply it, 55 by 10 into 1250 upon 100. Clear? 1 0 cancel. 120 and 55. Multiply it. 6875. 6875. And how many 0 in denominator? 100. So it will be 68.75 rupees. So what will be the cost of polishing of curved surface area? And curved surface area is 5.5 meter square. So it will be 5.5 into 12.50. So it will be 68.75 rupees. Is it clear? 68.75 rupees. So this was your question number 5. Is it clear, all of you? Yes, beta. So question number 5 we have completed. Now next question, question number 6. So it is given the curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If radius is 0.7 meter, so find the height of the cylinder. So simply curved surface area means 2 pi RH is given 4.4 meter. And radius is given 0.7 meter, and simply 2 pi RH is equal to 4.4, and put the value of radius and height will be as it is and find out the value of the height. So you can do yourself this question, question number 6. Already we have done this type of question. I think first question diameter we have found, but here you have to find out the height. Okay, so you can do this question. Now we will start our next question, question number 7. What is given in the question number 7? The inner diameter of a circular valve is 3.5 meter and height is 10 meter. So find the inner curved surface area and find the cost of plastering the curved surface area at the rate of 40 rupees per meter square. Okay, what is given? The inner diameter of the well is given, and well means kuwa. Okay, and it will be like a cylinder. Okay, and diameter is given. So first of all, you will find out in solution. What will you do, beta? First, you will find out the radius. So inner radius of well will be 3.5 upon 2. Okay, because this is diameter, and height is 10 meter. Okay, height is 10 meter. So first, curved surface area. So curved surface area of well means cylinder. Okay, and it will be 2 pi r h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r, 3.5 by 2 into h is 10 meter. Okay, now 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. So you can write down 35 by 10 and it will be 22 into 10. Okay, and multiply by 10. So 10 and 10 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, 7 5s are 35. So it will be 22 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11, 110, and it will be meter square. Okay, it will be meter square because the length and height, radius and height both are in meter. So it will be 110 meter square. Clear? Now, cost of plastering of 1 meter square is equal to 40 rupees. 1 meter square की cost क्या है बेटा? 40 rupees. And you have to find out cost of plastering of curved surface area, and curved surface area is 110 meter square. Okay, so cost of plastering of 110 meter square will be 40 into 110. Okay, so it will be 4400 rupees. It will be 4400 rupees. Clear all of you? It will be 4400 rupees. So this was your question number 7. Yes, now we will start our next question. So question number 8, read the question number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter, diameter is 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in system. It means it is given the hot water system and it is cylindrical pipe. There is a cylindrical pipe. It means cylinder is given and whose length is 28 meter and whose diameter is 5 centimeter. Sorry, 25 centimeter. So if diameter is given in centimeter and height is given in meter, so first convert the diameter. First write down, find out the radius. So d is 5 meter, 5 centimeter. So what will be the radius? 5 by 2. Okay, so it will be 2.5 centimeter. Now you will convert it into meter. So it will be 0.025 meter. After that, you will find out the total radiating surface in system. So what will be the total surface? Total radiating means total surface area. So you will simply put the formula 2 pi r into r plus h and you can easily find out the total surface area. So question number 8 you will do in yourself. Okay, I am not explaining it. Next question number 9. Diameter of the cylindrical tank is given 4.2 meter and height is 4.5 meter. First find the lateral surface area. Okay, find the lateral surface area. So what will be the lateral surface area? So first one, you will find out the lateral surface area. So what will be the lateral surface area? So simply diameter is given, height is given. So first find the radius. Okay, so what will be the radius? So write down radius of cylindrical tank will be 4.2 upon 2. Diameter by 2. So 2.1 meter. And height is 4.5 meter. Clear? Now lateral surface area of cylindrical tank will be 2 pi r h. It means 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 2.1, so you can write 21 by 10 and h is 4.5, so 45 by 10. Okay. Now 7 3 is 21. 6 into 22 into 45 upon 100. Okay. So 132 into 45 upon 100. Multiply it. So 132 and 45. 0, 14, 9, 5, 9, 4, 0. So it will be 59.40 meter square. So this one will be the curved surface area. Okay, this one will be the curved surface area of the curved surface area, or you can say the lateral surface area of the cylinder. But here one more part you will find out, and in this part what is given, how much steel was actually used of 1 point, if 1/12 of the sheet actually used was wasted in making the tank. Okay, so first how much sheet is used, it means first of all for making the sheet, what will you do, you will find out the total surface area. Okay, for making the sheet you will find out the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. And what will be the total surface area? Second, how much sheet, okay, how much, in second part, how much sheet is required, if 1/12 part is wasted. Okay, so you can complete it if 1/12 part is. So in the second part, how much sheet, आप जब sheet cover, metal sheet cover कराते हो, so you will cover it all the parts, all the cylindrical tank. Okay, it means first of all you will find out here the total surface area. And what will be the total surface area? 2 pi r into r plus h. Put all the values here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r 4.2, and it will be 2.1. Okay, so 21 by 10 plus h is 45 by 10. So 132 by 10, and this one will be 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 2 6, and it will be by 10, 66 by 10. Now multiply it, 132 and 66. 8712 and divide by 100, so it will be 87.12 meter square. So this is the total surface area. But here you have to find out, it is given the total surface area, how much steel was actually used, of 1/12 of steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. Okay, so first of all you will write a let actual area of sheet used. Okay, first of all you will assume let actual area of sheet used. सबसे पहले ऐसा कितना एरिया था जिसमें एक्चुअल जो है एरिया कितना था जिसमें शीट यूज हुई थी, x मीटर स्क्वायर. यू आर अज्यूमिंग दिस इज x मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ wasted area will be, wasted area of sheet used will be 1/12 of area is used. Okay, so 1/12 into x, so it will be x by 12 meter square. Okay, this is the wasted area. Now area which is not wasted, and you can say that actual area. Okay, and you can write down the area, used area. Okay, used area. Now area used of sheet, so it will be x total area and minus the wasted area, so it will be x minus x by 12, so it will be 12 ones are 12 minus 1, so it will be 11 by 12 x meter square. So how much area is used? 11 by 12 x meter square. And what is the total area? 87.12. Now put the values. 87 by 0.12 is equal to 11 by 12 into x. Find the value of x. So it will be x is equal to 12 will come in multiplication. Multiply 12 and divide by 11. When you will cancel out and you will divide it, so you will get the actual answer, and it will be 95.04. 95.04 meter square. So this one will be the actual area. Is it clear, all of you? If it is not visible, so you can see here. Wait a minute. Yes, now what will you find out in the second part? First part, simply you will find out the lateral surface area, but in the second part you have to find out how much sheet is painted, how much steel was actually used, if 1/12 of steel actually used was wasted in making tank. Okay, 1/12 जो है waste हुआ था उसका. So first of all you will find out the actual area. Let actual area of the sheet used is x meter square. Now wasted area of sheet used will be 1/12 of x. x में से कितना waste हुआ? 1/12. x का 1/12. So x into 1/12, x/12 meter square. And so used area क्या होगा? Total area minus wasted area. So x minus x/12. So it will be 11/12 x meter square will be the used area. And what is the total surface area? So this is 87.12 is equal to 11/12 into x. Find the value of x. So it will be 95.04 meter square. So this one will be the actual area. Is it clear? So this was your question number 9. And now question number 10 and 11 you will try yourself. If you have doubt in both the question 10 and 11, so you will ask in your doubt class only. Okay, I will not explain on the board because we have to complete this chapter very soon. Okay, and for this question we have completed our second exercise. In the next video I will explain the next exercise 13.3. Okay, so 9, 10 and the middle 2 questions I have left. So these questions you will do yourself. In doubt class you can ask if you have doubt. Thank you so much, students.